Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language in AliExpress. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open AliExpress application. You can see over here AliExpress application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the language, it is actually very easy. For that, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. In this interface, you'll be able to find the options like profile, shipping address, ship to, currency, language, etc. Tap on the option language. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see all the available languages over here. Right now, English is selected. Simply tap on the language that you would like to change to. Now after you do that, you can see over here the language of the application will be changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the language. So that is how you change language in AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.